Welcome to PUBG Mobile. Your training is about to begin. You will learn basic combat knowledge and rules. Get ready. The game is about to start. Drag forward with your left hand to move towards the target. Swipe the screen with your right hand to control where you're looking. Next, pick up the firearm. Pick up the ammo. There's the target. Tap right fire button to shoot. Congratulations on defeating your enemies. Your enemies' supplies are inside the death crate they left behind. Go take a look. Check the crate. Pick up the scope. The enemy is too far. Use this. Tap left fire button to shoot. You took them down. Nice, great work. Let's take a look at the rewards. Check the crate. Pick up the supplies. Health recovery item. The bandage can only restore up to 75 points of health. The blue zone has appeared. Tap the map to check the blue zone. The flashing blue area is the blue zone. You will continue. The flashing yellow area is the current play zone. The flashing white area is the next play zone. The blue zone will expand inwardly over time until it overlaps with the white circle. Tap the button to close the map. The play zone is about to shrink. Get to the play zone as soon as possible. You are taking damage from the blue zone. You've made it this far. Finish off the rest to claim victory. Congratulations on completing this training. Head over to the main lobby to claim your reward and test your skills in a real match.